Hey guys, I wanted to come in and make a quick video on a recipe that I'm going to be trying out today. I've made it before in the past, but this year I'm making it with, this is a zucchini that was gifted to me from Renee of Renee's Garden. I'm sorry, I've already cut the tip of it off. I'm going to make some zucchini fritters, and it only requires a zucchini, some grated Parmesan cheese, an egg, some flour, and some salt and pepper. And I'm going to shred up this zucchini and let it, put it in a colander and some paper towel, because zucchini is it has a high moisture content. So you need to allow the moisture to drain out of it before you attempt to cook it. All right, so that's what I'm going to be attempting to do today, and I will bring you along as I start the process. So I'm gonna go ahead and shred it up, and I'll be back. So I'm just shredding the zucchini here. Like when I made them last year, they were pretty good, but this will be the first time, like I said, I'm using a zucchini from the garden. All right, I'll be back once I have this all done, because I have this whole other half to do. And this is how much is so far. All right, I'll come back when I'm done with this part. Now you're supposed to sprinkle the zucchini with 1 teaspoon of salt. I have a half teaspoon measure because I couldn't find my 1 teaspoon. So sprinkle. Sprinkle. Okay, I'm just gonna use this knife here and toss it up. And the salt helps to bring out the moisture, the excess moisture that's in the zucchini, so it won't be so wet and it'll be nice and drained. I'm gonna put a dish under this so that you can see how much moisture is drawn out of this zucchini before I go to prepare the fritters. Hey guys, I'm at the point now where I have allowed the zucchini to sit, the salted zucchini to sit in the bowl, and it has kind of reduced down to this much. I don't know if you remember, the bowl was, this colander, this strainer was pretty full with the zucchini. But this is after allowing it to sit. And this is the amount of liquid. You know, I would say that's easily like a cup and a half of liquid that came from the zucchini. So you really need to make sure that you allow your zucchini to soak when you're cooking it in a recipe and it calls for any kind of frying or baking, anything, because it will alter your liquid ratio in your baking or cooking if you don't allow the liquid to soak out. Okay, so now I'm going to mix it up, make the patties, and I like to put them in the freezer to let them form and then fry them up. So I'll come back at the point when I am ready to fry them up. All right, I'll be back. All right, guys, I have put the zucchini fritters in, and this is what they look like. We're just letting them fry up, and then I'll take them out, and we'll have my Ava do a taste test for them. As we all know, she will be brutally honest with her opinion of what these fritters taste like. All right, I'll come back when they're done and we're ready for the taste test. All right, it's looking pretty good. Like they've held together. That's one of the reasons why I like to freeze it, because when you initially are mixing it and forming the patties, it's very loose, and you know, it can like fall apart as you try to form it and place it into the oil. So I freeze it for like 10 minutes to let it set, and then it's easier for me to fry it up. All right, I'm gonna take it out. Fritters are done, and I've taken one out and given it to Ava.
She won't let me eat it with my hands, even though it's literally a pancake.
All right. Go ahead.
It's hot.
Yes, it is. It's right out of the oil. Is it really?
It's burning my mouth.
Tell me what does it taste like? Do you taste the zucchini?
A little bit. Not like a lot though. It's like zucchini cake or zucchini bread. Like you don't know there's zucchini in it. Like if you didn't, I don't know how to explain it. If you didn't tell me there was zucchini in it and it didn't look green, I'd be like, oh, I don't know what that is.
Okay, does it need any more salt or pepper or?
Sauce. There's this sauce she made last time when we ate this. And I was like, can you make the sauce again? She was like, what sauce?
That was last year. I don't remember what the sauce.
It was during COVID. Oh, it could have been last year because COVID. Okay.
All right, guys. That's my
probably bad.
zucchini fritter situation. So yeah. All right.
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10, Ava?
10 out of 10 with the sauce.
All right, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave me a comment letting me know what you are cooking from your garden. Bye.